police diver out by the boat. They need to get back in the boat. Yeah, hey, hello. Hey, yeah, hey, get back in the boat. There's a shark coming. Yeah, come on. Oh my gosh. All right, everyone, don't panic. They're a professional. They're going to be fine. They're fine. They're not fine. We're going to be fine though. We're going to hide out here behind these barrels full of gasoline and hope that the shark takes the bait in that yellow barrel out there in the lake. Did it take the bait? No. All right, where's the shark gone? Sometimes on these hot days, instead of screaming, people are just kind of reaching out like, splash me, splash me. Everybody take a look at the right side of the tram. You'll see that Bruce, the mechanical shark, is the only shark in the world that can swim backwards. There he goes. You can also see him at the left side as we turn on this corner. Now, Steven Spielberg named his mechanical shark when he was making the movie Jaws. He named his shark Bruce after his lawyer,